To skip trace a lead in Propwire, it's essential to understand the process and its benefits. Skip tracing is necessary for online businesses, such as wholesaling, to obtain email addresses and phone numbers from property addresses. This process can be done directly within a Propwire account. First, log into the account and navigate to the home screen, where properties can be filtered by zip code, foreclosure status, or divorce situation. Once the list is built, skip tracing can be performed on the entire list, whether it contains 5 or 500 properties. There is a cost associated with each skip trace. For those driving for dollars, it's also possible to skip trace a single property. The process involves building a list or entering the address of the property to be skip traced. After entering the address, the owner's name and mailing address can be viewed, but additional information like phone numbers and emails will not be visible. To proceed, add the property to a list. Then click on the list to view the property details. An orange Skip Trace button will be visible. Clicking this button initiates the skip tracing process. Depending on the account type, such as the Gold plan, a certain number of skip traces may be included per month. A confirmation screen will appear, showing the price of the skip trace. If there are insufficient funds in the account, it will be necessary to add funds. The minimum amount that can be added is $20. After adding funds, the skip trace can be completed, and the required information can be downloaded as a spreadsheet. The downloaded spreadsheet will contain the contact name, phone number, approximate age, and email address of the property owner. This information can then be used to get in touch with the owner. The entire process, from adding funds to downloading the skip traced data, is relatively straightforward and can be completed within a few minutes.